BeatBot is the site that you need. It's the way to make your music come alive and succeed. Your beats and rhymes will be hot. Let's get it poppin' like a firework shot.
So as you could probably tell, I did not create that song. I made it in about 5 seconds using this new website called BeatBot.fm. BeatBot is an AI song maker from a company called Splash that creates original songs based on text prompts. It uses Splash's proprietary AI for vocals and music and GPT-3 for lyrics. So the website is BeatBot.fm. As you can see, it's still a site in beta and they are accepting feedback at the bottom of the page. So just like with any generative AI site, all you have to do is describe the song that you want to create. Let me try this prompt standing up against the powers that be, funk and hip hop. Let's hear how this sounds.
Taking a stand for the people and the cause, let the truth be known no matter what the laws. We will never submit to the powers that be. We must fight for freedom for you and for me.
So not bad. That was something that we just created in a few seconds. Now, if you don't like the song, you can always hit the retry button and BeatBot will go through and regenerate that song. Let's try this version.
Taking a stand, standing my ground. No longer gonna take the oppressor sound. Gonna use my voice to challenge the king. It's time to make a difference and make the future sing.
So not bad. Now the other thing you can do is hit the edit button and that's going to take you back to the main BeatBot page where you can go in and just create a brand new prompt or slightly tweak this one that you've used. Now once this is finished, there are a few different ways that you can share. You can click this button for a copy link that's going to copy the URL that you can share. This is what the URL will look like when you send it to someone. It will give them the option to actually try BeatBot for themselves. There is an option where you can share this on Twitter. And then finally, it looks like there's a download option, but each time I click on this button, the download never actually happens. So I'm not sure if that's fully functional. Again, this is a site in beta, so that may be something that has to be worked on. But again, this website is beatbot.fm, a great way to create a song for a friend, or if you're studying, maybe create a quick rap song about a vocabulary term. You can go a lot of ways with this really cool website. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And because I know you love to hear my songs so much, I will link our original BeatBot song that I played at the beginning in the comment section as well.